If you're seeing a SketchUp error callback function error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to modeling fast. This issue is often caused by a broken extension, an outdated dynamic components plugin, a file path problem, or even a component name that contains characters SketchUp doesn't like. So if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with the easiest fix first. Open SketchUp and go to the extension warehouse. In the search bar, type Dynamic Components and look for the latest official version. If you already have it installed, check whether an update is available and install it right away. A lot of callback function errors happen because this extension is outdated or damaged, so updating it is one of the fastest things you can try. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reinstall the extension completely. Go to Extension Manager inside SketchUp and find Dynamic Components in your installed extensions list. Remove or uninstall it first, then download the newest RBZ file from the official source and install it again through Extension Manager. This clean reinstall can fix corrupted files and restore missing scripts that may be causing the callback error. Now let's move on to a very common Windows-related issue. If your Windows username contains certain characters, or if SketchUp is trying to read files from a user path that includes a problematic letter like a lowercase u in some setups, Ruby scripts can sometimes fail and trigger pathing errors. Special characters in the username or file path can also confuse the plugin. To test this, try moving your project files to a simple neutral folder, such as C:SketchUp. This gives SketchUp a clean path with fewer chances of script errors. If the error disappears after moving the files, then the issue is likely path-related, not the model itself. Next, check your component names. Open your component list and make sure the names are simple and clean. Avoid special characters, symbols, and unnecessary spaces where possible. Characters like slashes, brackets, quotes, ampersands, or unusual punctuation can sometimes break Ruby-based scripts and dynamic component behavior. If you have custom components with strange names, rename them using plain letters and numbers only, then test the model again. If the problem still continues, it's time to check your SketchUp plugins folder directly. On Windows, navigate to C:\users\username\appdata\roaming/SketchUp/year/SketchUp/plugins. Inside this folder, look for any recently added .rb files or folders that may be suspicious or related to a plugin you installed before the error started. Remove only the files you recognize as likely troublemakers, especially if you recently installed something new and the error began right after that. Sometimes one broken plugin script is enough to cause callback function errors across SketchUp. After removing suspicious files, restart SketchUp and test again. It's always a good idea to restart the program after each major change, so SketchUp can reload the plugins properly. If the error is still there, repeat the process carefully and try isolating the exact extension causing the issue by temporarily removing recent additions one at a time. The important thing is to work through these fixes in order. Update dynamic components, reinstall the extension if needed, check your Windows username and file paths, clean up component names, and inspect the plugins folder for bad RB files. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the callback function error without requiring a full reinstall of SketchUp. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting tips, extension fixes, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.